Why is microbiology so important for the USMLE Step 1 exam? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle without knowing what the pieces look like. That's what studying microbiology is like for the USMLE Step 1 exam. It's a big part of the test and helps you understand how infections work. Microbiology covers bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. You need to know how they look, how they cause disease, and how your body fights them. This helps you answer questions about diagnosing infections and choosing the right treatment. Many questions on the exam ask you to tell apart different microbes. For example, you might see a question about diarrhea caused by a certain bacteria or an opportunistic infection in someone with a weakened immune system. Knowing the characteristics of these microbes helps you pick the correct answer. Microbiology also connects with other subjects like pathology, pharmacology, and immunology. For instance, understanding how antibiotics target bacteria is based on knowledge of microbial biology. Knowing microbiology also helps with clinical reasoning. When you see a patient case, you can think about which microbe might be involved based on symptoms and lab results. This makes your answers more accurate and confident. Since about 10 to 15% of the USMLE Step 1 exam is dedicated to microbiology, focusing on high-yield topics is key. You should learn common pathogens, their toxins, how they spread, and resistance patterns. Studying microbiology isn't just about memorizing facts. It's about understanding how microbes cause disease and how treatments work. This knowledge helps you interpret lab tests and clinical scenarios. It also prepares you for future rotations and patient care. If you build a solid foundation in microbiology, you'll find it easier to tackle questions on infectious diseases and related topics. In your Step 1 study plan, dedicating time to microbiology makes a big difference. It's a core part of the exam content and links to many other subjects. Mastering microbiology helps you see the bigger picture of medicine. It's not just about passing the test but also about being ready to care for patients in real life. So, focus on understanding the microbes, their mechanisms, and how they affect the body. That way, you'll be well prepared for the USMLE Step 1 and beyond.